Man, it's all nice and sunny outside. Big ol' woo, good.
Dude, I'm getting across the pond from here.
What the fuck? Bless you. What? Oh shit! Throw it in a circle, Tanner!
Circles, laddie! You fucking scream if I shit my pants doing that.
What the fuck?
I like shooting stuff. You keep moving like that, I'm gonna have intercourse with you.
I'm gonna intercourse you.
I'm gonna sex you.
Hobo! My gun!
I don't have anything. I don't know what you're doing.
I can see it in your hands. What the fuck? what the hell?
Hello, rooster.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, AA battery. Something like that. Not even AA.
My shotgun shoots Duracells, boy.
You can ride in the truck with me. Yeah! There we go. My girl wasn't already effed up.
On this one, but I was worried about the hinge breaking, and I was like, I don't want to fuck with it.
I prefer
3, 2, 1. Airsoft! I don't even know where the fuck I'm going. Nick, watch your right, watch your left.
And he's like,
Whoa! Hit! So sensual of you.
Oh my god.
Oh, I just came.
Oh, I just
No! I'll pretend like I'm dragging you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Some more numbers. Yeah. Blue, green, triangle. Go that way. Get to safety. Go. Tater! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! So we're fucked on both sides.
No, you aren't.
Shit.
POV, a barrel gets pointed at your eyeball and they pull the trigger. Keep in mind I said pull the trigger.
Losing.
There's a guy with a minigun.
The guy with the minigun.
You're telling me there's somebody out here with a fucking minigun?
Yeah, the HPA. I didn't know you didn't see him.
We had to go to 5 different places.
Not that Scotty has HPA minigun.
Oh my god, dude, careful. Okay. Oh. I can't.
What?
I need that.
He can't.
I need this.
Mom said no.
Just put them in your M4 pouches and just be careful not, or put them in your cargo pocket. Just as long as you don't
Put him in
lose
your
them.
asshole.
He's wanking his leg.
He's stroking it.
Get your ass over here! We had them in their spawn, but we didn't exfil the president. We failed the objective, but we didn't. We kept them from getting the objective.
They said technically they won.
Oh shit!
That goes off. I am out of fucking ammo.
Hurts so much. There's this big blue.
Could you imagine if he missed the slide? Just fucking
slide, and he just.
Yeah.
I need my battery.
Video.
Oh, nice. I think I subscribed to your channel.
You guys are gonna be in this one too.
There you go. Hello,
Subscribe and add the bell icon.
90% of you are
90% of you are not
unsubscribed.
subscribed. This Google Sheets statistic chart I pulled out of my ass
Right.
proves otherwise.
I use the inspect key. Oh, he touched my butt.
Say-